Want to make your Reels interactive by adding polls? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add poll in Reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Make sure it's on Reels. Now select the video or picture that you want to post. After editing, tap on the next icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the text box. Then tap on poll. You can write your questions here and your options here. You can also add more than 2 options by tapping on Add Another Option box. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the top right. And that is how to add poll in Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.